Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have some fun bee Dollar Tree DIYs. For the first one, we're going to make a little bee skep using one of the little plastic cloches from the Dollar Tree and some of the brown rope. These are going to be some miniature bee DIYs that could look great for your tier tray. That is what I'm going to use these for, but you can use it for whatever you have. I just start here on the very top of the plastic cloche and attach it with some hot glue. This has got that perfect shape for a little bee skep or a beehive, and so I just keep going. I just attached it with hot glue there at the top and kind of anywhere as needed as I kind of work my way down this. Now, the Dollar Tree rope doesn't go as far as you might like, so I'm gonna have to start and stop, but that's okay. It's pretty easy to hide where you start and stop, and I think I'm using maybe the skinnier of the two brown rope from the Dollar Tree, but it doesn't really matter. You're gonna get that great look. And I go all the way around here to the very bottom and just attach it with some hot glue. Once I get it all on there, I'm just gonna burn off any of the fuzziness on the rope there with a lighter and clean it up a little bit. Now we can decorate it. For the opening here in the bee skep, I just use some black acrylic paint and just trying to freehand like a little circle on there. It doesn't have to be perfect, but the rope actually paints really well. I think I'll make it a little bit bigger. And then to decorate it, I found these great little wooden bees from the Dollar Tree. They're little stickers, but I'm gonna attach mine with hot glue. And if you can't find these at Dollar Tree, I was able to get some really inexpensively on Amazon the other day because I needed more, and they're really similar to these. I just attached 4 of them, kind of swarming all over the little bee skep like that, and it was so easy to make. I'm not going to attach the bottom on it. I don't really think we need that for part of the cloche. And then, of course, I just needed a few more bees. I added a few more, and I love how that turned out. Here it is, and I also have some more little bee DIYs in this video. The next one we're gonna do is just one of these little dishes that I found at the Dollar Tree. It's got a great honeycomb shape. It's a little trinket box, and it's got like a little bee embossed on the top. Don't really like the color on this though, so I thought maybe we could make it a little bit better. The first thing I did was I just used a yellow paint pen and I went around all of the honeycomb cells to kind of sketch those out to make those show up a little bit. I'm also going to paint it more to make it more colorful, but that was my first step. Then I went over the entire thing with like a lighter yellow acrylic paint, painting that down and then kind of wiping off the excess paint with a baby wipe, trying to expose that great texture underneath that I had highlighted with the paint pen. It might have covered it a little bit more than I intended, but that's okay. For the top, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go over this. This was originally kind of distressed in a gold, but not very well. And I just go over it with that darker gold paint pen, and then I'm going to paint everything else with this lighter color yellow, trying to wipe off some of the excess here with a baby wipe so it'll bring through those gold colors. I had a lot of yellow and gold inspiration on this BT tier tray, so if a little bit of that original gold color shows through, that's okay too. I also touch it up a little bit there with the paint pen. It's looking so cute now that it's yellow. I think it looks so much better than it did in white, and this is how it turned out for my little bee tier tray. This is how my tier tray turned out. I think it was so cute for spring or summer. If you would like the entire video or more bee DIYs, just check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.